Network Entertainment.
Merry Christmas! Happy Holidays, Staplers! Woo! Welcome to the special episodes of Walang Edit-Edit.
Hell yeah!
Tinatawag namin tong Green Room series kasi puro comedians lang yung i-invite namin sa
Yes.
episodes.
At si Judd din nandito.
I'm a comedian superstar.
Oo. Kasi pansin ko, nakakalimutan na ng mga bagong listeners.
Na comedians kayo dalawa.
kami!
Actually, yeah.
Sabi nila, okay, nag-stand up din pala sila.
You're not just TV models. No.
Oh.
We get that a lot. Pero,
So, once again, if you're new listening to this show, yes, stand-up comedians kami ni Judd. And for this series, mag-invite kami ng mga comedians for December. Dahil ito na yung Christmas gift namin. Mag-upload kami twice. So, abangan nyo na lang lahat.
Nice.
yeah.
Yun. And our special guest for the actually, second episode na to.
Of the series.
Of the series.
The Green Room
Kasi-
series.
Sino yung una?
In-interview kasi ako ni Judd last episode.
Si Lilan yung guest.
Oh.
Fuck. Okay.
Ang saya nun.
So, ikaw yung second guest. So, thank you. Bigyan kita ng napakagandang introduction.
Yeah,
Sige ba?
One of the best. Napaka-generic eh. Ladies and gentlemen,
Sobrang safe.
nagsimula siya ng stand-up around 2015 yata, 2016.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken.
Damn, you remember
years.
that.
10 years.
Ito rin siya rin yung unang nag-fake compliment nung set ko. No, I
What
think
did he
you
say?
did it to boost my confidence.
When was
You were
20
nice enough.
Ito yung sa most ba ito?
Sa
Nag-open mic
most.
ka? Oh.
2018 yun.
When Lilan was wearing that Run DMC shirt.
Oh, akala namin
with the
asset
hat.
siya. Masyadong cool. Manamit tong gagong to. Ba? Asset to.
So, naka-boots ako galing ako work.
Uh,
So, nag-set ako. Unang set ko sa most. Ang unang nakita ko, si Alexio, pati siya. Tapos kinakabahan ako. Nilapitan nila ako. Parang sabi ni Alexio, "Uy, kamusta? Kamusta? Set, ganyan. Tapos sabi ni Andren, parang sabi niya, okay ha, ganda set mo. Tapos, I felt nice kasi sila yung unang kumausap sa tapos hindi nila ako ginago. Usually, yung
Rare
unang
yun.
kakausap sa'yo, puro punchline sa mukha mo eh. Di ba?
Yeah.
Parang ganito.
part din ay kung close na kayo. Malalaman mong close na kayo ng comedian kung nagkukupalan na kayo. In a way.
Pero not to give away anything. Parang ikaw, alam ko, ang pangit sabihin pag comedian to comedian, tapos magbibigay ka ng good compliment.
Hindi tayo
Pero-
sanay eh. No?
Medyo nice kayo ni Alexio during that time. Atal naman ngayon eh. You were nice.
Yeah, because we were pretty much new pa rin ni Alexio noon, like 2-3 years in. We know kung gaano kasi kahirap eh.
Yeah.
Kung gaano nakakatakot talaga. Hanggang ngayon, takot pa rin kami. Pero mas extra takot kami nung mga 2 years in pa lang kami.
Yeah.
So,
So, without further delay, nasabi ko na yung pangalan niya. I'm sure kilala niyo siya sa mga siguro 80 to 90% na galing sa Comedy Manila crowd. The King Freak
King of freakiness.
tama ba naman?
King Freak.
Prince of Pangasinan.
Yun, the Baron of Bangus.
The Baron of Bangus, King
Kay-
Freak, co-host of Bago Matulog, none other than Andren Bernardo.
Thank you for the invite. Waki Didu. Yun.
Waki-didu.
He said the word. Yung sa Bart Simpson meme.
I think yun yung first wakididu ng podcast na to.
Yeah.
Ever.
It's an honor to hear it here.
So, 10 years ka nang nag-stand up.
10 years na, man.
Do you remember the exact date? Are you one of those comedians that you celebrate a birthday?
Hindi ko maalala, pero third week ng January 2015. Hindi ko alam yung exact date. Third week siya ng January
It's pretty
2015. So I was the one who like parang, hindi siya bucket list. It's more of like, kasi ang sinasabi nila kung may mga comedians, dumadami yung open micers pag January kasi ginagawa nilang bucket list. Yung stand-up.
So, bucket list comedian ka before?
Hindi, kasi,
Tempo lang.
hindi. Start ko na ng next year, yung comedy career ko.
Sure, Andrew.
So, pinlano mo?
Lalo ko
Oh, shit. So, seryoso ka?
So, pagka-graduate ko ng nursing, kunento ko naman to sa, di ko pa naman nakukwento to. Sabi, basta mag-graduate ka ng nursing. Sige. Tapos akala siguro ng nanay ko, phase lang to na, babalik ka rin ng nursing. Hindi na ako bumalik at all. Nakatanggap ako ng phone call kay Ryan, nakuha ako sa Solid Okay. Yun, nag-move out na ako.
Kailan ka nakuha sa Solid Okay ba?
20...
2018.
Yeah.
18.
So 3 years in, sinimulan nila. Kasama ka sa main
Wow,
core
it's
group.
been that long pala.
Tagal
Even
na.
for Solid Okay.
Yeah, dude.
I remember when you guys started pala.
Oo. Iniisip ko lagi
God.
Solid Okay 3 years, 4 years ago.
Yeah, yeah,
Tagal na rin pala na magta 10 years na rin.
yeah. So
What-
yun. Dun
What
yung origins.
made you crazy enough? And I say that in a good way kasi like me, I'm scared to quit my job and go full time just like that. What made you that brave so early, man?
So, it's a lot of things. Una, privilege kasi.
Wow.
Sobrang bait na nanay ko. Like, sige,
We're getting
uwi
real.
ka na lang. Uwi ka na lang. Tapos, ang nabigay pa, shit, medyo hot button issue to. Like, nagbigay ng first job ko yung nanay ko sa Avon.
So,
Okay,
so
parang
nepotismo.
nepo mom.
Yeah, I will admit, nepo mom. Pero,
We're not all nepo babies are bad.
I was
to
very,
say.
a very good employee naman.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Nakakapili lang ako ng day off. Pero,
What did you do there?
stock manager. Ako yung taga-inventory kung saan pupunta yung mga brat panty.
Kaya mong gawin yun?
Well, nursing naman yung
Well,
degree niya.
Knowing you, gago, parang iniisip ko, malamang burat na burat ka nun.
It's easy. Like, darating lang naman yung produkto. I-check ko lang, i-inventory. Tapos na yung work ko.
5 minutes.
Tapos may assistant pa ako. Like, dalawa kami.
Yung assistant
Dalawa
niya,
kami.
pinsan niya.
Ang ganda, may assistant ka pa.
Oo.
Oh, ito si Yossi na kaya after, no?
Tapos, pinipili ko yung break ko. Kunwari, ang open mic Tuesday. Umaalis ako ng work ng 5. Pagpunta ko sa Manila, mga 9 na.
Kasi galing Pangasinan pa.
Tas yung break ko, parang ang break ko Wednesday. Gets mo? Open mic Tuesday, break ko Wednesday.
Gets.
Para makatulog ako.
Para may tulog.
kasi
Kasi
6 hours.
mahaba biyahe from Pangasinan to Mos.
Oh, dude, 6 hours, man.
I love the hustle.
To perform 3 to 5 minutes. No?
Oh, dude. Feeling ko, yung nga yung nakakuha sa akin na, okay, mahal niya talaga to eh. So, I think medyo umangat yung tingin sa akin ng vets ko. Tapos biglang nakita yung material ko. Kailangan pa ng work. Kailangan pa ng seasoning.
Oh my gosh.
Pero,
Great effort, pero kailangan pang,
and yung style mo ng comedy kasi, hindi naman siya nagbago.
ever
Like,
since.
syempre skill-wise, mas gumagaling ka every year, dapat.
Oh, that's the best of stand-up. Never tayong nalalaos.
Hindi ka magre-regress.
Oh, fuck.
Oo.
Sobrang
It's
silent.
either you stay stagnant, hindi ka
You never get
magiging
worse.
lesser version of yourself.
Oo.
You might get rusty if you stop for a year.
Yeah,
ganun.
pero if you keep doing it-
marunong pa rin.
So, sorry, what were you gonna say?
I was gonna say na parang yung mga topics na tinatackle mo before, early in your career, same pa rin naman ngayon eh. Pero mas mature yung
Mas
pag-atake mo.
Mas mature, naalala ko yung isang very first joke ko.
Ooh.
So, ito pa yung namatay si Paul Walker. So, sabi ko, yung next Fast and the Furious, pare, yung kalaban nila, yung puno. Nabumaga kay Paul Walker. Tas, si Vin Diesel, magre-racing siya, tapos pagkaganon niya, may puno sa loob ng sasakyan.
It's been a long day. Pero,
Family
so,
tree.
nung namatay si Paul Walker, sa 7 yun, di ba? Fast 7 yun. Tama, no? 7.
Kasi, di ba, nabuo yung
Tama.
7 kasi may split ng road.
Yeah.
Si
Yun
Paul
yung
Walker.
meme. Pangasinan most. So, shit. So, never ko nakita na dark yung, sinasabi nila dark kasi yung material mo eh. Never ko siya nakita until may nag-point out sa akin. Until in-introduce ka na, uy guys, ito si Andren, medyo ano siya, ganito yung. Pagka binibigyan ka ng intro ng host as a comedian, ibig sabihin, medyo edgy yung bibigay mo material or medyo dark, di ba? Ang naalala ko, ang binibigyan lang ng mga ganong intro, si Gold, minsan ikaw. Pero nung hindi ko pa kilala si Gold nun, ikaw pala yung nakita. Okay, dark pala yun. Tapos tinignan ko yung material mo, hindi naman eh. Di ba? I mean, dark yung topics, pero silly yung...
Silly, yes. Yung flavor.
Flavor.
I always say about Gold, rest in peace.
R.I.P.
Gold really talked about it. I just make silly jokes about it. Like, kunwari yung, I talk about abortion, suicide, but it's more of like, kunwari, suicide, medyo different nga yung suicide, kasi it's my experience. Naka 3 attempts ako. Pero yung, I try to make it jokey jokes. Yung mga iba. Like, kunwari yung,
Making light of it in a way.
yeah.
Silliness.
Silly. Well, in Gold talagang, puta, pag-usapan natin to.
Ready na kayo?
Ready na kayo, yan.
Kasi ito yung
Ako,
na-feel ko.
yun, medyo tongue-in-cheek pa yung akin eh.
Yeah. I think, pinag-usapan din namin ni Alexio, isa pang comedian, few episodes back.
Right.
Pinag-usapan namin yung feelings pagdating sa mga guys. Kasi sinabi mo kasi, di ba, dark area na topic yung itatackle mo. Pero medyo funny
funny
joke.
objective.
light yung punchline.
Oo.
Feeling ko it's part of being men na ayaw natin mag-usap ng ganun na mushy about feelings, emotions. Kaya ang gagawin natin, tatawanin ko na lang kayo habang nandito tayo sa subject na to.
Tinan mo, kasi tama yung point mo. Tinan mo kung magsasorry yung mga lalaki. Di naman, sorry. Hindi, para kasing tanga eh. Tapos yun,
Oo.
tapos biglang magsasap. Like, para ka tanga eh. Tas,
May toxic masculinity pa, bakla ka kasi. May
Ikaw
mga
kasi.
ganun.
pero nagbabati na kayo pagkatapos. Wherein,
ah.
mas in touch nga yung women na sorry. Pero mas matagal sila mag-away. I will
Mas
say.
matagal. Umabot years minsan. Like, fuck.
May ibang ways talaga na mas umaangat yung isang gender sa isa eh. Like sa lalaki, dude, kausapin mo lang, wala na yung beef eh.
Yeah. Mararamdaman mo eh. Feel mo lang yung aura. Pagdating sa'yo, nag-meet kayo, usap kayo, tas yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Pero, alam mo, nag-disagree ako kasi hindi na-address yung feelings minsan eh. As men,
Hindi talaga.
like,
too
parang
quick.
sinusuppress natin yung galit, yung disappointment from each other. Kasi nga, hindi, okay na yun. Okay na yun, pare. Bati na kami. Okay na yun.
Tama wala talaga nangyari, walang healing process.
Walang healing
Suppress lang eh.
Kumbaga, hindi ka nag-grieve. Oh.
Kalimutan na natin yan. Iba yung kinakalimutan sa pinag-uusapan eh. Parang ganun eh.
So ikaw, you're like, do you like talking about your feelings?
Hindi talaga.
Hindi talaga.
Kasi we as comedians, parang ang iniisip natin, talking about your feelings isn't funny eh. Pero there are some comedians who can do it.
Yeah.
I can't.
On stage.
Yeah, I can't.
I can't do it on stage. Hindi ko kaya maging that vulnerable on stage. Kasi people might be sad about it
Yeah,
lang.
they'll say,
Instead of
"Oh."
laughing about the problem. Baka, I remember nag-set si Judd. And
Yeah.
Whoa.
Dude,
Yeah.
Ito
nag-trauma.
yung nag-headline siya. Nag-trauma daw.
Nag-trauma dump si Judd.
A little bit of backstory, sabi sa akin na dyan. Do you think I should try some new shit? It's open mic to, gawin mo lang. Hindi yung iyak ka sa stage dyan.
It's experimenting, guys. We're trying out new stuff.
Dapat may semblance pa rin na sinusubukan mo magpatawa eh.
Hindi
Actually,
yung nagtutrauma. Ginawa mo therapy eh.
Ginawa therapy.
Pero yun yung medyo parang problem pag perform ka sa stage, nag-talk about your feelings ka. And
Slippery
then may
slope.
maririnig ka sa audience na, sira na. Dude,
Yeah.
pag nakarinig ka na, iniwan siya ng parents niya.
Magiging loser ka lang, ano?
Parang,
It
should go to
depends
therapy.
kung ano yung sasabihin mo pagkatapos. Kung magiging dark ba yung sasabihin mo or kung i-hammer on mo yung point. Like, hindi ako ganun na-aasar doon. Kung, sige, hintayin mo tong punchline.
You have to do something about it.
Yeah.
Don't end on the
yeah. Ako, I did some, parang, hindi naman research, pero parang nag-deep dive ako sa mga material ng mga nakasama ko. Like kayo, sila Judd, sila Chan.
Okay.
And inisip ko, sino ba yung mga taong really open about how they feel? And napansin ko, either si Red
Yeah.
and ikaw, hindi lang alam ng tao. Pansinin mo lahat ng setup na ginagawa mo sa joke mo. It's coming from your
Heart?
feelings.
Yeah,
from
but-
how you feel.
So, ito a secret. Like, lahat ng setup, kadalasan totoo yun. Pero yung punchline, doon ko na medyo ini-skew yung kung ano yung totoo. Hindi.
Yun ay spin.
Yun na yung spin.
Oo.
Pero like, most ng mga setup ko nangyari naman sa akin. Depression ko,
Exactly.
suicidal thoughts ko. Like, yeah, it's, yung iba lang, yung punchline, baka
Alcohol.
50-50.
Pa yung
Alcoholism.
alcoholism.
Family.
Parent.
Yeah.
Lahat ng setup mo, parang designed siya for people to listen to the problem.
Yun.
Tapos
ito,
gagawin mo silly sa dulo.
tama, kasi narinig ko to kay Louis C.K. eh. So, take this with a grain of salt.
Yeah.
Alam natin, problematic guy
And some
siya.
lube.
Promote na rin natin yung libro niya, Ingram.
Gusto kong basahin yun.
Wait,
Pero,
before mo sabihin, since sinabi mo Louis C.K. Salamat sa tatay ko, birthday ko a few days ago, binigyan niya ako Ingram.
I heard
na
it was a
Louis
serious
C.K.
story daw.
So,
ano yun?
first chapter pa lang ako, it's heavy.
Okay.
It's heavy. Try nyo basahin.
What's Ingram? It's
Try nyo
by-
alisin yung cancellation sa utak nyo, yung masturbation incident, whatsoever. Hugas kayo kamay.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
ano. Basta, try it.
Pray the rosary. Ganun.
Yeah. Anyway, sorry, you were saying, sabi ni Louis C.K.
Sabi ni Louis C.K., like, kunwari may mga jokes siya. Kung nag-open mic siya. Tapos kung okay yung mga jokes na nagkikill, yun, ilalagay na niya sa setlist niya. Pero yung mga jokes na parang yung audience nagre-react, hindi tumatawag. Tapos yung nakikita naman niya habang yun yung parang ito yung tatrabahuin ko tong putang inang joke.
Ah,
Kasi
Parang-
nakakakuha siya ng reaction eh. Set up pa lang. Like,
Yeah.
okay, fuck. I'll keep this. And usually daw yan yung mga hits niya. Like yung 9/11 joke niya. Yun yung isa sa tinabuhan niya. Yung suicide joke na yung, may joke siya na, suicide can't solve your problems. It actually can if you wanna die. Suicide is great. Parang yan yung tinabaho niya. Like, parang doon ko,
Sabi mo yung 9/11 joke.
ay fuck, mabubutcher ko eh. Like, malalaman mo kung gaano ka kabasura, kung gaano ka soon nagjakol nung 9/11.
After nung 9/11.
Oh, after pala nung 9/11. Tapos nung nahulog na yung unang building eh.
Meron pa pala.
Ay shit, sabi. One of
So, yeah.
my favorite jokes ever. Nilo yun.
Grabe.
Medyo,
Topic pa lang.
Oo. So yun, dun yung,
Best Louis C.K. joke ko is yung special niya ng 2017. Yung mismong material niya ng 2017.
Yung naka-suit siya,
Kasi
diba?
it's right there. No one thought about talking about it. So yung joke niya was,
ay 2017, ang ganda nun.
parang ang nanalo daw religion
Ang ganda nun.
globally
Oo.
sa buong mundo ay Christians. Tapos tinanong niyo yung audience, sige nga, anong year na ngayon? 2017 since what? Tapos may sumigaw sa audience, Christ!
Right.
Ang ganda ng joke na
Ang
yun.
ganda nun.
Sobrang
bro.
gandang observation.
It's right there.
Oh,
Universal too.
Yeah, dun siya magaling.
Oo. Wag.
Ikaw, si favorite mo, Jad?
Favorite, right? Dave Chappelle. I'd say Dave Chappelle.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'd say the closest to Dave Chappelle. I'm not saying na kino-compare ko siya kay Dave Chappelle, pero the closest thing to the,
That style.
hindi style eh, yung dating, yung people would listen, would actually listen to that person.
Meron ganun si Chappelle na putang ina, papakinggan ko to kahit walang, tangina, 2 minutes na walang punchline.
Oo,
Nakikinig
mahaba.
pa ako eh.
I think si GB lang yung may kaya nun.
Kaya si GB, yes.
Yeah.
And to be fair, hindi nga matagal mag-setup si GB eh. Like, mabilis siya mag-setup, tapos pakikinggan mo lahat. The whole theater will go silent pag may sinasabi siya. So parang yun yung closest thing sa akin.
Kasi si GB, like, again, this is just me analyzing it. Like, it
Ooh, I
can
love
be,
this.
hindi siya takot sa silence eh.
Yes.
Like, minsan, nagkikill na siya, tapos medyo, hintayin niya muna
He'll
mag-die
let it
down.
die.
Like, fuck, di ko kaya yun, puta.
Hindi niya
Ratrat ako.
sasabayan yung kill.
Dude,
Ah.
rinaratrat ko
Yeah.
yung audience.
He'll reset it, you know.
Tumitingin pa siya.
For me, one of the biggest flexes ni GB yun, na when he just like stares in the audience and he just thinks,
Yeah, he lets the laughter go away.
then he continues again.
Control yun eh, no? Room control.
Oo. Hawak na niya eh.
Such a power move.
Oo.
Sino ba Sino ba, before you did stand-up, sino yung nag-joke? Ikaw lang? Walang nag-motivate sa'yo to
Ako
do it?
lang. Matagal ko nang gusto gawin to. Dude.
Okay.
Siguro nung first time kong napanood yung David Letterman, yun, medyo, kasi yan yung una sa atin. Like,
As a late night host,
Oo.
telling jokes.
very first comedian na napanood ko, si Mitch Hedberg.
Yeah.
Mitch Hedberg yung pinakauna.
Very formative for you nga.
Which is weird kasi medyo weird yung style ni Mitch eh.
Were you always funny growing up?
I was insane. Like I was, 'di ba sinasabi daw nila, "Ooh, I like a funny man."
Yeah, funny
I was
guy.
funny. Hindi ako charming funny noon eh. I was like, "Puta, ba't mo sinabi yan funny?" Like parang
Whoa, Andren, it's the
Oo,
morning.
Oo, parang ganun like
Too early for that.
Ano, tsopaan tayo. Yung mga ganun, bigla may nag-uusap. Tapos bigla,
Right.
sex tayo. Tapos yung mga, like, childhood pa lang medyo sinasabi ko na kaagad.
Pero
yung
what influenced you
pinaka-shocking.
to have that kind of sense of humor?
Yeah, what was your,
Is it the content that you consumed growing up? TV,
It's
movies?
both. It's from my kasi yung tatay ko, God rest his soul, basura siya. Like,
Ay.
bastos siya, nagmumura siya. Nagmumura siya nagda-dirty joke siya. Kung kausap niya yung mga tropa niya, very crass, very inuman tito vibes. And
Real ass dude.
Tawang-tawa ako sa mga ganun ng bata yung, nagsabi siyang bad words. Ganun kasimple lang yung humor ko nun.
Gago, pinaalala.
Basta saying something inappropriate, parang okay,
Yeah.
this to me is comedy.
Yeah.
At a very early age.
And it made you laugh.
Dude, genuine. Noon ako narinig na sinabi ng tatay ko, putang ina mo, bobo. Doon sa tropa, hinampas yun ng
Slapstick eh,
Slapstick eh, pero it's just, yung guy speak na, yung ang lutong ng pagkasabi ng putang ina eh. Putang inang misis yun eh. Like, parang alam mo yan. Like, yeah.
How old were you when you decided I want to be a comedian? Yung David Letterman era.
There was this competition sa Jack TV.
Dude.
Yung,
Kila Red,
yes.
Laugh-A-Palooza.
Laugh-A-Palooza 1.
Ah.
Nung naparod ko to, I was still studying, but fuck, gusto ko mag-quit. Gusto ko sumama dito. Sabi ng nanay ko, no. Which to her credit, tama naman siya. Hindi ka pa nag-graduate ng, at least magka-diploma ka. Okay.
Fair.
Gumawa,
enough.
tapos ako nursing, kumasa ako board. Tapos di na ako nag-volunteer.
Big deal yun, ha?
Wait lang rin, gago. Kamusta ka as,
A nurse.
as,
Bobo akong nurse, pare. Wala akong kwenta. Dude, wala akong kwenta. Alam mo kung bakit
Wait,
ako
wait.
pumasa? Kasi 40% practical, 60% written. So,
Okay.
pag sa ako practicals, dude, like, yung magsaksak
Yung
ng desk, like, sobrang-
injecting the
yung
thing.
what matters most.
Pero nakakatawa, 40% lang yun ng grade mo eh.
Ang labo, no?
Oo nga eh, di ba dapat,
Dapat yun yung 60.
I think it's a failure of the education system na
Ang
nakapasa
weird
ako.
na parang, nagkamali ka sa lahat, pero tama yung review ko eh.
Parang driving, no? Like, you killed a lot of people on the road, pero you
Alam
know
mo yung signs?
You know the signs.
Alam mo yung rules?
P means
Oh.
for parking.
Namatay siya, no? Oh, mali yung ginawa ko. Alam ko yun eh.
Pasado
I haven't-
na ako sa-
I have an essay about it. You know?
Gago, interesting yun. Like, fuck. UST to, no?
Ha?
UST?
Yes. Ay, hindi. So,
UC.
lumipat ako. So, pinapag-shift ako sa US. Kasi pinilit lang sa akin ng nursing.
Nanay mo,
Bumagsak
tatay
ako.
mo?
Pares silang dalawa. So, bumagsak ako sa shifting exam. So, punta ka na lang, balik ka na lang dito probinsya, tapusin mo na lang yung nursing dito.
So, doon mo tinapos?
Ah.
Okay. Kamusta grades mo?
Wala. Dude.
As in, pasa lang talaga.
Pasang awa lang talaga. Dude, hindi ako magaling na
Pero
estudyante
gago,
at all.
mahirap nursing, man.
Mahirap nga siya.
Yeah.
Mahirap siya.
I mean, to be fair,
Hindi lang talaga ako mukhang nurse.
oh, well, ngayon siguro.
Oh, back then you were clean-shaven ata.
Oh, dude. I-post ko yung picture ko nung nag-nursing pa ako.
Branding niya lang eh.
Alam, dati ako nurse. Takina.
Pero like, hindi mo naisip bumalik? Ever? Talaga? Kahit nagko-comedy ka na?
Ay, kung nag-fail tong fucking pangarap ko,
At least you have
at least
that.
I have something to go back to.
How
Pero,
is it?
here's the thing. Kung 4 years ka nang hindi nagpa-practice, kailangan mo mag-take ulit ng 4 days.
boy.
Okay, wag na.
Ayoko na, wag
Wag na, pare. Mamulubi na lang o
Oh,
mamumulubi.
may bar-
Plus,
barrier
ito,
pa rin.
with yung sinabi ko, yung, what is this? Privilege. My mom said, mag-Avon ka na lang if ever yung comedy career mo doesn't work out. Meron na akong safety net, which
Sarap.
others don't have eh.
Would you say you're conyo, Andren?
Sabi daw nila, may nag-comment dun sa video ko, para daw akong squatting na konyo. Which I agree. Like, kasi nagtataglish ako eh.
Tama eh.
Squatting na konyo.
Saka yung reference
Hindi lang
mo.
sweating na konyo. Squatting na konyo na may maraming alam sa culture.
Yeah.
Alam mo, like, what the fuck? Taki ng combo yan.
Oo.
Parang yung references mo also give it away. No? Medyo western yung
Yeah.
references mo.
Kasi loser ako ng high school eh. Like, hindi ako...
Were you bullied?
You're too tall, I
Thank
think.
God na malaki ako.
Yeah.
Kasi kung mga 5 flat lang, dude, siguro, kasi nerdy ako, pero matangkad ako. So, hindi ako nabully.
Did that
At all.
affect
At
your sense of humor? Kasi they say when you're shorter, you have a really great personality. Parang you compensate by being a charismatic guy. But if you're tall, parang you don't need to work hard on
Yeah.
your personality.
Kasi kung matangkad ka, kita ka parate. Lalo na kung...
I guess in
Grabe
the
yung-
Philippines.
Oo, kasi pressure. Like, pressure mag-basketball. Pressure na, tangina, malaki ba titi mo? Di ba? Like,
Gago. And
And
GB's pretty tall. Red's pretty tall.
oh, yes.
Actually,
James.
They're all of
I
them.
think GB's packing, bro. Like,
Dude,
nakita ko
he gives
yung,
it. Yeah.
nakita ko yung short, hindi short eh. Mga 10-minute set niya yata sa Comedy Central.
Nakita ko yung shorts
nakataas yung maong niya. Dude, ang laki ng...
Dude, bumabakat sa maong
Oo eh. Like, I'm sure hindi siya nakakomando.
Hindi, dude.
Pero, goddamn.
Sabi nga ni Jeannie, diba, sa joke niya.
Kaya nga siya,
Something
like
that.
Comedy Manila. Like, tangin.
Big dick energy, Labrador. Okay, Glazers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anong like, bukod sa stand-up, if you would, try to at least ask what if, parang kung hindi stand-up, ano siya? Kasi ako madalas kong naiisip.
Advertising.
Tatlo.
Okay.
What
Wow.
if? Anong what if? Kung
Kung hindi ka sa stand-up, saan ka mapupunta?
Nurse, siguro.
Okay, that's one.
Pero hindi mo gusto yun, sabi
Ay,
mo.
gusto ko?
Oo.
Puta, rockstar, wrestler,
Skater.
comedian.
Skater din.
Skater, hindi na.
Hindi
Like,
na.
Ay, gago, alam ko kung ba't hindi mo natupad yung dalawa eh.
hindi ako athletic. Tapos di rin ako marunong kumanta.
Okay.
That's a good question though. Like, if you had the talent for singing, would you love music more?
No. This is
Comedy pa rin.
everything.
You're not settling lang for comedy. Ganun.
It's iba yung comedy, hay.
Oh, dude.
Like-
Like hanggang ngayon, dude, 10 years ko nang ginagawa ko. Parehas pa rin yung saya eh.
Yeah.
Hindi nawawala eh.
Hindi siya nawawala.
How about you, Leland? If you had a bonus talent, would you prefer that other career? Kunwari,
It's
like,
unfair to say na I would prefer this because this is what I have now.
Mm.
Pero if this kind of high, ma-experience ko sa ibang ginagawa ko, I would probably do that.
very
Kasi-
ano,
More than interest, hinahanap ko yung feeling and yung happiness na nakukuha ko from it eh. As much as I love stand-up, kung hindi naman niya nabibigay yung happiness, hindi ako,
why would you stay?
why would I stay? Manonood na lang ako ng stand-up specials.
Tama.
Pero nabibigay niya eh. Ang
Right,
sarap eh.
Right.
Yung parang goosebumps ni Darak. Pag nag-ano siya.
Got a lot of mana.
Oo, ganun yung nafe-feel. And hindi ko alam kung nafe-feel din nga siya ng mga musicians. Kasi-
We won't know.
It's different when you throw a new joke and everyone laughs compared to you singing a new song and everyone's like, that's nice. Iba eh. Iba yung feeling na, ha 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 ha. Ibang klaseng validation.
Yeah,
And sa
true.
music, dude, very passive siya na art form na hindi ko sinasabing dapat di ka nakatutok sa music, pero you can listen to it while
True,
studying.
dude.
Dude, nakikinig ka ba ng putang ng stand-up special habang putang nag-aaral
Hindi ko
o
kaya.
nagja-jogging?
Hard, man. Nah, sayang
Dapat
lang.
relaxed ka.
Mm.
Then,
Mm.
may beer.
May beer.
Mga
Mga
Nine.
cham.
9 bottles.
Anong best joke mo na narinig? Hindi kailangan stand-up ah.
That's tough.
Like, best joke mo na narinig ever.
That's tough. Okay.
So very Western reference to. Pero tawang-tawa ako doon sa joke. Parati ko siyang nire-reference as puta, ang ganda na dark joke to. So, dalawa. Una sasabihin ko, it's a joke book joke eh. Anong pagkakaiba ng cocaine sa anak ni Eric Clapton?
Ano?
Hindi hahayaan ni Eric Clapton na mahulog yung bag ng cocaine dun sa bintana niya.
Joke book joke yan?
That's a joke book joke. Sino kaya rin sila din? Gusto ko tawa ako ng tawa.
Oy.
Oh my God.
And
God
recently,
damn.
yung kay...
Parang Mitch Hedberg joke eh. Ay, hindi.
Jeselnik,
Hindi siya- Sorry.
Jeselnik.
May pagka-Jeselnik.
And speaking of, yung isang favorite joke ko sa bago niya special, parati ko siyang kino-quote.
Ano to?
Sobrang ganda. Anong tawag?
Bones?
Ha?
Yung Bones and
Yung bago,
all.
yung bago. I forgot the name eh.
Yung clean cut siya.
Oo.
Ah.
Hindi. Balbasarado lang siya. Bones.
Sarado.
Yung inasal niya si Joe Rogan.
Si Joe Rogan.
Mga bones nga.
So
Yeah.
sabi niya, parang i-Tagalog ko na lang. Anong tawag mo sa buntis na nasakisaan?
Ano?
Gender reveal. That's sobrang,
Oh!
sobrang ganda. Like, fuck.
Ganda.
Sarap nakawan.
Sobrang visual.
Oo.
Alam mo yun?
Ang ganda, hindi mo,
And visceral.
nakatago talaga eh.
Yeah.
Shit.
Ang hirap mag-live up sa expectation niya. Kasi, kung ikaw si Jeselnik, if hindi nyo pala kilala si Jeselnik, basically,
Dark comedian.
dark comedian na one-liners, kinda one-liners.
Kinda.
Yeah.
Hindi siya Mitch Hedberg bilis.
Oo. Pero grabe yung ano niya, yung misdirection, I guess.
Would you
So-
say he's a character then? That's not, is he the
Ganun
same?
din siya sa
Ganun siya sa,
podcast niya eh.
ganun siya sa mga interview.
Okay.
Oo. So, parang, ikaw, anong best joke mo?
I can't think of the best joke right now, but what comes to mind is yung kay GB. Hindi to sip answer, ah.
Umiling na nga siya,
Oo,
sabi niya.
GB, opening slot. Yung origin ng Burger Machine.
That's a good fucking joke.
For me, it's just so silly and out of
Yeah.
this world, but it works.
Sobrang weird ng food. Like,
Sabi mo joke.
Ang haba.
Ang haba
but
eh.
basically,
At saka mababutcher mo.
Oo.
parang bakit
parang yung mga jokes na si GB lang yung mic kayang gawin.
I think
Puta.
sa lahat ng tinanong ko, pag nag-uusap about GB Labrador jokes, siguro 80% of them are saying na Burger Machine.
Yeah.
Favorite ko sa kanya is yung energy drink naman.
That's a great point.
Like-
Tight.
Ninakaw to death.
Sobrang tight.
Oo,
True. That's how good it is.
Ginawang meme nung iba.
Ako yung mga pato.
Yung duck?
Hindi ko Quack, quack, quack.
But I guess for the listeners, just a premise lang of the Burger Machine joke. It's basically, he explains bakit may dwarf sa logo ng Burger
Yeah.
Machine.
Yeah.
Yun.
Yeah.
So that's just the, what it's about. Go. Best joke that you can think of, at least that
Ang bobo nung sa akin
remember.
Knock-knock joke yung sa akin eh. Kasi iniisip ko, saan joke ba ako tumawa ng sobra? Yung genuine na natawa ka talaga. So, it's a knock-knock joke. Joke book to. Sabi niya parang, knock-knock. Excited na bingi.
Excited na
Ha?
bigay.
That's a good joke.
I walked in on that. I didn't expect that.
Grade school yata. Sabi ko, putang inang yan.
I can imagine that killing.
So, may isang comedian na nagsabi sa akin na, hindi ko na in-name, like parang nahihirap siyang gumawa ng material. Tapos naisip ko, like, fuck, kailangan niya siguro, or ako rin sometimes, na ma-in love sa process ng pagsusulat. Like,
yeah.
ngayon medyo nag-fizzle out kasi iniisip ko na yung next year eh. Pero, dude, sobrang favorite ko talaga magsulat. Like, kunwari gabi.
Yay.
Tapos naantok na ako. Sa phone call, magta-type lang ako ng joke. Yun eh. Like, para maging comedian, dapat ma-in love ka sa process ng pagsusulat ng sarili mong material eh. Kasi, putang ina, kung umaasa ka pa rin sa material mo last year,
Yeah.
syempre magiging stagnant ka. So, yan yung feeling ko nangyari sa kanya.
Were you, sino?
Yeah.
To
I'm
whom?
not gonna name his name.
Okay. But were you always like that? Or did you have to fall in love with it? And how did you make yourself fall in
I
love
was-
with the writing?
Kasi enjoy siya eh. Like,
Okay,
enjoy.
natural,
like,
natural.
nung mag-kill ka, sa 3 minutes na bago sa open mic, putang ina mo, boy.
Pwede na
Chase.
wag mag-open mic
Oo.
that week.
Oo,
You wanna
dude.
chase it na, no?
Like, sobrang, kasi this art form is ever evolving. Like, times change, topics change, you change. So, dapat, talagang magsulat ka lang ng magsulat eh. Kasi you change with the times eh.
Yeah.
Sakto.
Dude, nalarinig ko nga kay Mark Norman, sobrang weird na nang galing ko sa
Comedy.
kanya. Sabi niya, treat stand-up like a problem you'll never get tired of solving. Like, nung sinabi yan, puta, napagano'n ako. Oh, dude, like,
I'm hard right now.
Problema na hindi mo kayang tigilan.
Yeah. Parang ang hirap rin ngayon, hanggang ngayon hirap ako eh. Like, ano ba yung boses mo talaga?
Ooh.
Kasi I'm not sure if ikaw nahanap mo na. Kasi sabi nila, ang makakahanap lang daw nun ay ikaw eh. So,
I
even
think
if...
I'm almost there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not
Nice.
totally. Kasi minsan kasi favorite comedian ko si Dave Attell. So, pinaparod ko siya. Tapos, hindi yung material kasi una-una mas magaling siya. Pero minsan yung pacing niya, yung pag sabi niya ng joke, medyo minsan, medyo nagagaya ko ng konti. Kaya dapat self-aware ka nga to go back and, okay,
Who am I?
yeah, yun nga yung point. Like, shit, medyo yung delivery ko, medyo,
Yeah.
Dave Attell na. Like,
Simba, remember who you are.
parang ganun.
Ang
Kaya ba?
Ako, I don't know.
Ako rin eh.
I guess, hindi mo sabi nila kasi, hindi mo dapat daw iniisip kung paano mo iba-brand yung comedy mo. Just write some
Yeah.
jokes. But I've been doing that. And parang hindi pa.
Let the jokes define you, whatever comes
Oh.
out.
I mean, you have Viaya.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm wondering, is that everything about me, or is there more?
I don't know.
Or am I being boxed?
Pero yeah, to be
Right,
fair, may
right.
mga comedians naman na never sila naging personal eh. Like, kunwari, si Mitch Hedberg or si Mark Norman.
Yeah.
Never naman nila pinag-uusapan yung sex lives nila. Ang pinag-uusapan nila, pero in a jokey way.
Si Jerry
Yeah.
Seinfeld.
Niro-rule of
ano.
threes nila, parang ginagawa nilang pan. So,
Mm-mm.
ewan. I guess it depends. Ikaw ba? Feeling mo naman nakukuha mo na yung...
Nah, no. Because I used to think na I'm too nice. Like, my jokes will never be mean. But I find myself writing
Oh,
parang
yung Lola joke mo,
punchdown.
that's a fucking mean ass joke, man. Ano ka ba?
That's true. Yeah. So I
Yeah.
find myself, it's getting meaner. I'm making fun of like pulubis na in my jokes. Like, what? This is not me. But baka I'm evolving na rin.
What makes you laugh, though?
Huh?
Like,
Jackass, mga slapstick. Naalala ko yung first time na pakinggan ko yung Pork Chop Duo eh. Favorite ko sila nung...
Physical
Ah.
talaga.
Hindi, Pork
hindi
Chop
naman
Duo.
physical ang
I mean,
problem
he's a
to.
jackass.
Kasi Jackass, dude, puta. Like, nung nag-usap kami ni Red noon, like, mas magiging nakakatawa ba yung masasabi natin sa isang guy na putang inang sinisipa sa balls? Like, parang ang hirap sundan yun, no? Like,
Ang
putang-
hirap, no?
Yung
Guys,
may-
may joke ako.
Oh,
Hindi.
Pero may sinipa sa balls eh. Like, sino ka mas tatawa, di ba?
He's
Puta.
still bleeding.
Oo.
Mm.
I want to ask, man, like, okay, speaking of your like, 10 years in, you're figuring your voice out. How does it feel now? Would you say you're successful now?
I'll say na nandun na ako sa okay. Like, hindi ako bad trip sa sarili ko. Hindi ako bad trip. Pero like, there's more to improve upon. And then may heights pa rin ako na gusto kong i-reach. Pero ito yung problem ko minsan. Like, may mga ibang... Okay, may mga ibang... Sometimes may mga nagmamadali. Sometimes you just have to
Yeah.
trust the process.
Yeah.
There's a reason why...
It takes years.
Yes, exactly. There's a reason why Louis C.K. nag-hit big na lang siya nung 40s siya.
Yep.
There's a reason why mga idol mong comedians are pretty old.
Yep.
Kasi they've been doing this for a while. So if you, I guess, don't take any shortcuts. And if
Amen.
mabagal sa tingin mo, yung pagsikat, I can't sympathize with that.
I'm guilty of kind of rushing things.
Mm.
Na parang,
Pero to be fair to you, may something to back it up, which is drawing power.
yeah.
And following.
Yeah, following.
Again,
filling up rooms.
Yes, kasi sometimes gusto ko mag-headline, may drawing power. Like, kahit nga ako like, I have a decent draw enough, pero I'm not sell out every month, sell out every week.
I think
Like-
there's only 4 people who could do that right now.
Every week.
Like, for example, ang pinaka-successful na, ang bilis ng success si Isa Baus.
Right.
Nalagpasan na nila ako. Nalagpasan na nila ako, I would say. Pero, tangina kasi, they have something, yung following, they have something to back it up. That's why they're there.
Okay.
Yung mismong following nila
Breaks. Kasi, I don't think nalagpasan ka nila. I mean, I love both Isa and
Yeah,
Baus.
good friends.
Pero, experience, skill, writing process, I think you're way ahead. Feeling ko kaya mo nasasabing nalagpasan ka na and tayong lahat
Yeah, dude.
because of their draw.
Yeah, dude.
And to me, aware sila na they're not the very, very, very best stand-up wise. Lahat naman tayo aware sa ganun eh.
Oh, yeah.
And like ko sinasabi sa kanila, Baus, alam mo bang you can fill out music museum, you fill out this theater, blah, 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 mag-isa, kaya mo. Pero sinasabi niya sa akin, yung skill yung hinahabol nila eh. Na parang, they don't care. I mean, of course they care that they could do that.
Yeah.
Pero the fact na sobrang, kaya mahal na mahal yung dalawa. Kasi alam nila, may respeto sila sa stand-up enough
Yeah.
to hone that first because before doing that, something special like that. So yun, dun ako medyo nag-fail to make you feel, not to make you feel better. Early, very early, na parang, I feel bad na tinry ko agad mag-theater. Kasi I have recent performances this year that are light years better than my performance. Kaya kung nanood kayo nung theater show 2024, different na.
He's better
Like,
now.
My sense is really, really much, much, much better now. Kaya nire-regret na, fuck, I did it a lot sooner.
To your point, kaya nga nahihirapan ako mag-build ng hour now. Kasi feeling ko mas maganda yung, mas ginaganahan ako sa bago ko eh. Kaysa sa mga luma ko eh. Kaya parang, okay, mas nakakatawa to kumpara sa mga luma kong material. So parang, yung dati kong 30, kinakalas ko. Tapos bumubuo ulit ako 30. Tapos gagawa ko ulit 30. Tapos kakalasin ko ulit yung 30. Which is baka wrong.
Saya. No,
Pero
that's
dude, ang
pretty
sarap
good.
eh. Like,
You can go back to it naman.
Yeah,
years
actually.
later.
To be fair, every week kami bago material na tinatry ah. Iba yung bago
Yeah.
material na gumagana. eh.
Napanood na ako ni Lila na bumamba once. Like, mag-new material ka pala. Nag-old joke ako nung huli. Para naman, hindi.
Oh, tama naman
para
yun.
hindi naman mahirapan yung susunod na komedya. Pero sabi ko, Lila, dude. Kasi kakatapos lang ng I Want natin.
Oh, yeah, man.
Sawa na ako.
Congrats, dude.
Congrats din sa'yo.
Thank you.
So, ikaw rin ba? Pares tayo, like yung 15 minutes na yun. Okay, gagawin ko to sa lahat ng shows, tong 15 minutes na to. Or,
Beforehand, to
Oo.
parang prepare. Yeah.
yung ginawa ko sa lahat.
So it gets tiring, no?
Buong Oktoberfest,
Yeah.
yung buong 15 lang yung
Yeah.
ginagawa ko.
Sa ano pala, I Want TV pala. Panoorin nyo yun. Benta Nights.
Yeah, subscribe.
Jolly.
Comedy Manila comedians nandun. So please share. Ano sila Roger, sila Andren. Panoorin nyo lahat.
Directed by our good friend Ryan
Ryan Puno.
Puno. Direct Ryan.
Si Boss Ryan. Ayan. Ito, may tinatawag kami Andren na who's on your list.
Who's on your list? Jingle
Ito yung
bells.
segment namin na tatanungin ka lang namin ng mga top 3 things.
Okay.
Pero Pero since we're talking about medyo green room kind of
Yeah.
theme to.
Top 3 beers. Joke lang.
Gusto ko yun Top 3 beers.
Oh, fuck. So,
Hindi to bayad ha, but baka naman. Baka
No.
naman.
number 1, kaya ako lang, number 1, Pale Pilsen. By far. Like, mas maganda siya sa imported na beer for me. Kasi yung price point niya, yung lasa, you get, like, it's really good. Like, as a guy who drank Budweiser's, Hoegaarden,
Heineken.
Never
Heineken's.
liked any of those. Sorry
Hindi ka
Shit.
beer guy.
Sobrang kinat ko lahat ng deals ko no? Ng possible
Those
brand.
3 lang. Those 3.
Oh.
He likes Corona. He
Yeah,
likes
gusto ko naman. I mean, okay naman sila. Anyway.
Marami bang brands out there.
Second, technically, hindi siya beer. Sorry, medyo
talaga?
piniflip ko lang yung, it's Guinness.
Si
Nakatingin
Pale.
Lasa siyang
Si Guinness.
lasa siyang cerveza negra. So,
Sarap kaya ng
Sarap.
cerveza
Yeah.
negra.
I thought that was
mas
all,
social na version ng cerveza
okay.
negra.
I thought it was all under beer, like cerveza negra. That's a beer. Hindi pala. What do you call it? Like a spirit, gano'n?
A stout. You call that a stout.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
Si
Kasi
Adrian
it's not
kausap
made
mo,
of
bro.
wheat. It's made of bread, I think.
And depression.
Yeah.
And bad decisions.
And last, the classic. Again, it's there for a reason kasi ang lakas niya eh.
Yeah.
Red Horse.
Yes!
It's there kasi ang lakas niya, dude. Like,
Siya lang yung nagle-live up sa tagline niya.
Oh.
pare.
like may
Ito ang
nakainuman
tama.
akong comedian. Again, not saying his name. Ang tagal na hindi uminom. Dude, isang ganun lang siya. Dude, kailangan na namin like akbayan pa. Dude, kasi
Whoa!
it's that strong. Kung ang tagal mo lang, kung wala kang tolerance,
We
Red
cannot
Horse, dude.
put
Oh, dude.
Joke lang.
Gago, may joke ka dito na maganda eh.
Ano yun yun?
Yung commercial.
Pinagkaiba ng Red Horse tsaka...
Yeah. That's an old one. Fuck.
Old ba yun?
Oh, dude, kaya ako lang binabasa.
Shit.
I need to
Okay.
bring that back. So, yeah.
I
Anyway.
would agree, Red Horse. I would disagree or say that
I never thought of you were a drinker, Jud.
before, dude, did you meet me before I stopped drinking? I would like drink a beer after my set all the time, and then
A beer? Okay.
and then like so I'll be like, oh, si drunk Judd naman, drunk Judd.
Ah.
But I would disagree with you and say that I think Red Horse is better than Pale.
Red Horse is better kasi it gets you fucked up.
Yeah, bang for buck.
It comes to a point na, tangina, iniinom ko pa rin ba to dahil sa lasa?
Actually,
O gusto ko lang makalimutan yung tatay ko. Or hindi ko,
or no, I would argue ang sarap ng taste ng Red Horse. But maybe because I got
Maybe
so
it's
used to it.
subjective.
I got used to it na kasi siya yung sulit eh.
Mas masarap sa akin, Pil.
Pale.
2 out of 3.
Yeah. Pero Red Horse, yung gusto mo, isang bote lang may tama. Yun.
Yung
Perfect,
500?
perfect buzz.
Kapag college ka, yeah man.
Oo.
Diretso dun.
Parang gin bilog, pare. Tangina, it's swill, pare. Lasang kuko, pare, yung putang inang gin bilog. Pero, dude, isang bote lang nun.
Or
Good for
yung,
the night.
or yung tipong when I really wanted to get fucked up sa college, pero I wanted to order one drink lang, Long Island iced tea.
Nakakainis ka.
Parang siyang weng-weng, dude. Parang siyang weng-weng. But you can hide it as an iced tea.
Nakakainis
Long Island iced tea.
Dude,
ang
they put everything in that, man. Like whatever fucking bottle they
Hindi mo lang
have.
sabihin tanduay, pare, at Coke. Hindi. Long Island iced tea po.
with straw. With a straw.
yung bendy straw.
Oo nga eh.
Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, may umbrella. Thank you.
Oo, may fucking...
Pero
Gago.
alam mo, kausap ko yung
Lakas yun.
kausap ko yung girlfriend ko. Tapos sabi niya, kailan nyo pinauso yung ice cream after open mic? Kasi dude,
Gusto kong pag-usapan, sobrang nakakatawa.
oh, sobrang
There's a story ba?
nakakatawa to.
It
Like,
just happens.
out of nowhere lang, I think nung bumalik na ulit sa Moe's after pandemic, ang usual routine kasi, diba? Okay, if umiinom ka, one beer after set, kain ka doon. Pero merong biglang nag-shift na pag headliner na nagpa-perform, magbubulungan, ice cream tayo mamaya. Like, anong klaseng
dito na
hangout
tayo.
yun?
Yeah.
At saka lahat sumasama.
I think mas naging health conscious na kayo. Like kasi dati, this was before like 2016.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kami, umiinom pa si Alexion ito, umiinom pa si Aldo. So,
Whoa!
we would just get fucking absolutely plastered sa most. Kasi I think wala pa silang responsibilities nun. Ngayon, I guess, as you grow older, okay, dude, I can't get drunk kasi may trabaho ako bukas.
Right.
Yeah, mostly
And
ganun
we're
siguro.
aging.
Oo.
Pero it's progressive, don't you think? Na instead of getting fucked up,
Absolutely.
ice cream.
Kasi I think, again to your point, hindi siya machong tignan eh. Mga
It's so cute.
comedians.
It's so cute.
Mag-ice cream kayo sa labas ng South Star Drug.
Wait lang. Pardon this. I don't mean this in a derogatory manner whatsoever. Pero the gayest thing we did,
What is it?
I think 2 years ago to, nandun you were there before ka umuwi ng Pangasinan. Last open mic sa Mo's. Before tayo umuwi, pumunta tayo sa isang mini stop. Kasama ko si RG. Andun ka nun.
Yes. Oh.
Andun si Andy, andun si RG. Andun si Roger yata.
No, si River.
Si River nandun, sila Josel, and other comedians. Kumuha kami lahat ng ice cream
Twirly.
sa mini stop. Merong mga cornetto, merong mga
Yung Oreo na sandwich.
chili tongue, mga magnum. Tapos paikot kaming kumakain as if mukha kaming fraternity na nag-aabang ng Rumble.
Parang ice cream bukake.
Sarap lang.
Sobrang saya
Nag-uusap
nun
lang
kasi
tayo.
Wholesome fun eh.
Iba't ibang ugali din, iba't ibang tao. Sa comedy lang to, dude. Na makikita mo magkatabi si RG at si River Cruz. Sobrang...
United by punchlines and
United
ice
by
cream eh.
comedy talaga.
Yeah. Good times talaga. Like ice cream after most, after
Pero,
set.
uminom tayo yung nagdala ako whiskey.
Yeah, sinabahan kita nun. Oh.
Sa Mestre ba to? Or
Sa week-
sa Mo's.
Most ba to? Dito lang yun. 2 weeks
this
ago.
Last open mic.
Yeah. Love most,
But it's
man.
so funny, no? Like, musicians, you think they'll do drugs, sex, after shows. Tayo, Mercury ice cream, man.
To be fair, I think sobrang progressive na rin ang music scene ngayon eh.
Oh, wala nang, I think it's partly
Wala na,
growing
it's,
old.
it's a different
Walang
generation.
orgies, ganun.
Dude.
I think drinking lang yung pinakamalala, I guess.
And
Yeah.
smoking, cigarettes.
Kasi
ganun.
I was talking with Victor once na iba yung eksena noon eh. Like, talagang
It's
nung
the
wala
time.
pang responsibilities yung mga gago, umiinom daw sila ng solid din noon pa. Tapos
Even-
magdadrive pa sila pa uwi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
even Red would
Mga
flex that na they would bond until 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Tapos may
And-
trabaho pa sila.
Yeah.
Sounds fun eh, no? Parang nangyari lang sa akin yun few couple of times.
Yeah,
Kasama ko rin kayo.
Yeah.
Na parang,
Like pag lingon na, tangin late na nga yung 1 a.m. eh. Oh,
Ngayon, no?
Magsasara na kasi yung most ng 1 a.m.
si Angelo, tagabantay sa mus, kumakamot na sa ulo pagka 12:30 na. Tapos ngiti lang sa'yo. Sige.
Sige sir, order pa kayo. Putang ina, gusto mo lagay ko ng Dora to.
You know, it got real when we started to make them open mic start earlier, tapos strict tayo sa time.
Yeah.
We got
Bro,
like
organized
that's
eh.
isa sa underrated things sa comedy scene na nag-improve talaga. We stick na to the fucking time, pare.
Hell yeah.
8:30. Maximum na 15 minutes late yung show.
I think it's
Thank
not
God.
even like people are getting old eh. Kasi a lot of younger new comedians are entering the scene. And sila rin umuwi din ng 12.
Doon ako nagugulat sa mga bata. Like, pwede naman kayo mag...
Oh,
I think
wala
it's a
kayong
generation
pasok eh.
thing. It's a
Oo.
generation thing lang.
Generation nga yan.
Oo.
Like sila Dex, hindi naman sila tatagal eh. ng 12. In
Oo.
fact, ako yung, sige, uwi na nga tayo. Parang ganun.
Oh, man.
Oo. Pero, anyway, good times. Pero kami tinatawag pala na segment dito. I think it's about time na pumasok tayo sa Unfiltered Takes.
Unfiltered takes.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So Unfiltered Takes, Andren, sabi ni Judd, kinopya lang daw namin tong concept na to, which
Sana.
I agree.
Sa subway take.
So
what's your
yung
take?
guy na
What's your take?
may
Yeah.
okay.
So, what's your take? Pero before that, sobrang idol ko na kasi yung mga podcast before na meron lang silang unfiltered takes. Sila Norman, Samarel, and medyo ang saya niya pag-usapan. In Pilipinas kasi ang hirap, parang wala tayong freedom of speech talaga eh.
Oh, dude.
Parang you would get crucified pagka may sinabi yung isang tao na hindi mo gusto. Mag-aaway na kayo.
Oh.
Parang sa Western, open sila to discuss.
Oh, yeah. We'll still be friends.
Unang sumuntok, pikon eh.
Oo.
'Di ba doon? So parang gusto ko lang magkaroon ng freedom lahat.
Freedom of
Magsalita
speech.
ng opinion, whatever. If it's a pet peeve, unpopular opinion, and nasa stand-up tayo eh. I mean, you should be open to talk about these things, I think.
True,
So,
true.
having said that, meron ka bang any unfiltered takes?
Doesn't have to be
I
about...
get. Like, pero
Oh.
I'm open naman to discussion. Like, yung term na frustrated artist.
Okay.
I don't think that you should be a frustrated artist unless na it's the business side. Pero if your art, be it music, stand-up, comics. Like, if it's not selling, it's you. Why would you be frustrated? Kasi ayaw ng masa yung pinuput out mo.
Yeah.
Kaya medyo nainis ako dun sa term na, frustrated artist ako. Deep ko kasi masyadong di nila gets yung binibenta ko. Like,
Parang you're not the problem.
hindi, ikaw yung problema, hindi yung audience eh. Again, to a certain extent, gets ko naman kung frustrated ka. Mababa sahod. Ang daming nananakaw na parang properties, lalo na sa comics. Pero if it's people don't like your shit, puta, ibahin mo.
Yeah.
Yeah, yun lang yung medyo
Evolve.
hot take ko.
Kasi if you
Evolve.
want to have an
Iba yung
art...
pandering sa adjusting.
Mhm.
Okay?
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, dude, like kunwari, I'll never get a corporate gig. I know why. Pero ito yung pinili ko eh.
Ginusto mo siya.
Ginusto mo siya eh. Again, kung frustrated ka, kung yung comics mo or like yung music mo tungkol sa putang ina pinupugutan mo yung ulo ni Jesus, like, syempre, intindihan mo na, hindi naman lahat magugustuhan yun eh.
Totoo.
Kaya nga punk rock ang tawag eh. At ang pinakamalaking factor doon, which is very important, aminin natin, konti yung pera mo. Kasi niche na nga yung art form mo, ginagawa mo pang mas lalong niche. Kaya nga, if you're frustrated, pero intindihan mo rin na ito yung pinili mo eh.
Don't play the victim na parang, I'm so kawawa.
Yeah, man. Like,
Either you play the victim
pwede ka
or-
naman mag 9 to 5. Dude, eto, sasabihin ko sobrang cheat code. Sabi ni GB cheat code na tong stand-up, isipin mo binabayaran ka para magpatawa.
Yep.
Mas
Agree.
mahirap yung ginagawa
The
ng mga
dream.
nurse, ng mga putang inang doktor, mga karpentero, mga taxi driver. Dude, ang swerte natin. And wag nating kalimutan yun. Kaya sobrang nababatrip ako sa term na frustrated artist. Di mag 9 to 5 ka.
Yeah.
Ako, ayoko eh, kasi tamad ako eh. So,
Tsaka, imagine mo na lang yung kinikita mo sa stand-up. Parang kunyari, pa-perform ka 20-30 minutes. Magkano yung nakukuha mo? Doon, hindi ka umabot ng 1 hour nagtatrabaho.
oo nga eh.
Hindi ka umabot ng 1 hour nagtatrabaho.
Ina.
Diba? And the amount that you're getting is 10-20 times more than the effort na
Yes.
in-exert ng ibang 9 to 5 people
Oh, dude. Like,
para makuha yung same amount.
saludo sa inyo, guys. Fuck, dude. This is a cheat code talaga yung stand-up, man.
Pero at the same time, syempre, kaya agree ako dyan eh. Niretweet ko pa yan nung sinabi mo.
You're
Or-
frustrated?
Oo, na parang,
Minessage ko si Lila.
parang totoo putang ina. At daming nagsasabi na, I mean, gets ko naman, frustration is part of every job.
Yeah.
Not just your art shit. Our art shit.
Yes, we're not just speaking to one.
Oo,
Form of
lahat.
work.
Lahat
So,
naman frustrating
Baka
eh.
kung sabihin niyo kami nagmamarunong kami ni Lilang, we're talking about this art form then which we do.
Yeah.
Right.
It's frustrating. Sobrang nakakainis siya. Lalo na pag hindi gumagana yung ginagawa mo.
Yeah.
Pero,
Bad.
don't tell it to other people na what you're doing is parang
Di nila gets.
ways better than what they're doing. Kasi frustrated rin sila eh. Ang problema, hindi kasi art yung ginagawa nila or hindi considered sa art field. 'Di ba? Kunyari 9 to 5, nag-work sila sa corporate. Frustrated din sila eh. 'Di ba? Tinatawag pa nila sabihin na frustrated worker ako, pare. Wala namang ganun eh. So parang suck it up.
Don't be a
Diba?
bitch about it.
Oo, pinili natin to eh. 'Di ba? Meron man o wala, if you label yourself as frustrated, sinasabi mo lang na nahihirapan ka eh.
Oo.
'Di ba?
I think it's what you do with your frustration. Like,
Yes.
For me,
Do
for
something
example,
about it.
I wasn't getting booked before because tangina sobrang I get hammered all the time. Pangit yung mga jokes ko that year.
Which is normal.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
na-frustrate ako. Di ako nasama sa isang big show. Like, na-frustrate ako. What did I do? I sucked it up. Like, it's not their fault. It's
Yep.
mine. Kasi tangina, baka kasalanan ko eh. Yan yung nakakalimutan ng
It's
ibang
you
tao
against
ngayon
you,
eh.
pare.
O, baka yan yung nakakalimutan ng mga ibang tao ngayon. Baka kasalanan ko eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's laging, di nila ako kasi na-appreciate.
Oh, man.
Like, baka may dahilan. 'Di ba?
Check yourself.
Before you wreck yourself.
Amen.
Sinabi ba ever ni Shakespeare na frustrated writer siya? Baka.
Di ko-
I don't know.
But he did something about it.
I don't
But he
read that
did.
He
shit.
became the
fam.
goat. That soft shit? To be or not to be?
Yeah, pero, gago. Sobrang agree.
Mm.
Ikaw, meron ka
Ikaw.
bang for this episode?
Speaking of artists, I get super pet peeve ko to when a major famous artist introduces themselves. Kunwari, they're an actor or singer. Hi, I'm ganon, and I do I sing songs sometimes. Parang ganun, di ba?
Okay.
It's cringe. I will
Parang they're
say.
so humble, or like they're a big actor. Oh, I act sometimes. I do a little bit of acting here and there. Parang no, parang they're an Oscar winner, for example, and then they do that. For example, fine.
You hate the fake humbleness of it.
Yeah, like I love Wicked. I loved watching the Wicked movies. Pero si Cynthia Erivo one time she plays the Elphaba.
Yeah.
Oh.
One time she introduced herself in an interview na, oh, hi, I'm Cynthia Erivo. I do a little bit of acting. I sing here and there. I'm a bit of a
Did
singer.
he mean it like, you know the deal?
Parang, alam mo naman eh.
Oo nga. She said,
That's the thing. You don't know if they're being
kasi
humble
they're great actors, I would say.
or flexing when you do that. Parang like, just don't be humble. Just say it.
Magyabang ka na lang.
Yeah, na parang,
gets.
I'm an award-winning actress. That's it.
Parang kunwari pupunta ako sa family reunion. Kasi, nag-jokes naman ako minsan.
Yeah,
yeah.
I make
Yes.
people laugh.
Ginawa
Pero,
ko
anyway, sorry.
Ginawa ko yan once a date. Like, sa Bumble, nag-match kami. Tapos, nagko-comedy rin mo. Kilala ko nga Cool Pals. Tapos hindi na ako kinausap. Kahit kailan.
Oh, shit.
Masyado akong
Okay.
flinex eh.
Or
Yeah.
di ba when they ask about Red, we talk a bit. Well,
Niligtas
you're
ko,
the co-host.
niligtas ko buhay niya once.
Yeah, you know, nanonood ako ng ngayon, The Studio ni Seth Rogen sa Apple TV. It's a TV show about the production side of things. Production sila like Universal Studios. So, very fictional. May scene doon, since head siya ng production, nag-date siya ng doktor. Tapos sinasabi ng mga doktor na parang, yeah, medyo ang hirap nung ginagawa natin, ganyan. Sabi ni Seth Rogen as production head, yeah, I think, I feel you. Yeah, sa line of work ko rin, parang ang hirap. Para you need to consider all of these things.
Yeah.
Tapos sabi ng mga doktor, yeah, but we're saving lives here. Yeah, sabi niya, pero kasi kailangan na rin ng mga tao ang art. So parang basically, parang binibelittle siya kasi ng mga doktor. Ano ba, hindi naman, hindi naman importante ang ginagawa mo eh. Sumasagip ka ba ng buhay? Tapos sabi ni Seth Rogen, sige, pag pumunta yung isang na-aksidente sa ER, anong nandun? Sabi ng iba, doctors, diba? At ano pa, pag tumingin ka sa mga paligid mo, makakita ka ng screen. Yung screen doon, nilagay doon, para sa movies at TVs. Ganun na ka-far-fetch yung mga
Sinasabi niya.
niya. Sabi ko, dude, just let it go.
Pero,
Parang ano lang sinabi, parang rin kaming frontliners kasi laughter is the best medicine.
Yeah, exactly. We're not.
pero
We're not, dude.
I do think art is, I may be brave enough to say art is as important as science.
Fuck no.
No. Dude,
Fuck
sorry.
no.
Because I heard this quote na science will help us live, pero art will give us something to live for.
Tama. But
Without
that's two
one,
different things.
That's two different things.
But you need both. If you just have one,
the
okay,
you're
need
gonna
is the
die.
need is the problem. You don't need. You can live a boring
Yes.
life.
I think you'll die without
Boredom?
inspiration. If you're just depressed and unmotivated, I think you'll live a short life.
How long would you live
Kung walang scientist.
kung walang scientist? Versus how long
Kung ano may comment na pabagsak sa planet, tas like, ina-knock-knock joke mo ba yung putang ina meteor? Hi, meteor! Narinig mo na ba itong bangon joke?
Kunyari Avengers. Kunyari wala Avengers. Dumating si Thanos. Papatayin ko kayo lahat. Wait lang, Thanos. Knock, knock. Hindi naman siya
Or may dance si Thor.
To agree a bit lang with important nga yung art. What I'm saying is, mas importante
Yep.
yung maging doktor.
It's not the same level.
Like, kung may spaceship, tapos i-colonize na natin yung Mars, hindi sila magdadala, isa siguro, isang komedyante, para hindi boring yung biyahe.
Fine. I guess, di ba sa Maslow's hierarchy of needs,
Okay.
yung pyramid, I think if the bottom part is needs. Fine, I think you can live with just the needs, but it won't be fun lang.
It won't. It absolutely
You
will
need
not.
the foundation nga. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Anyway, good takes. Pero magbabasa ako ng take galing sa FB community namin.
Sige ba?
Para
Alright.
lang ma-validate sila. Okay.
Thank you for joining all 1,600 of you.
Ito yung sobrang surprising. Sabihin ko lang bahala na kayo mag-react. Sabi niya, ang initials ba? Tama, no? Initials niya, RT na lang, yun na lang.
Okay.
Sabi niya, if the N-word is part of the lyrics,
No!
then anyone can say it.
No! 100% disagree. 1,000,000% disagree.
Gusto ko magpaka-edgy at mag-agree sa kanya, pero di.
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi ko kaya, pero...
Hinahanapan ko anong bali eh.
Hindi!
Wala.
It's like, fuck. Kasi,
Ako ginagawa ko, pinapalitan ko ng ibang words.
like,
Like,
India.
kunwari yung sa Mad City, where you from? Where you run, friend?
God damn.
Imbis na, diba? Alam mo yan?
Ano
We
ba
in
ba?
If you
Paris.
don't know, now you know, friend.
And you don't have to sing the song. Like when you make a painting, when you see a painting, you don't have to recreate the painting.
Kaya nga naawa ko dun sa girl once, si Kendrick Lamar, kinanta niya yung Mad City, and she brought a girl up sa stage. Tapos nung binigay na sa'yo, where you from? Tapos ginano niya sa,
that's,
niya yung girl.
that's a trap.
Tapos sinabi niya yung
Gago, that's medyo kawawa yung girl dun.
Oh, dude.
Ito, meron pa isa. Okay lang ba?
Sige ba?
Sabihin ko lang.
This is from
Dapat, sabi, PAA.
si
Paa.
PAA.
My take is, dapat walang backstory sa mga shows like The Voice, PGT.
Ang ganda!
Tama.
Bakit?
Bakit? Talent. Ang galing mo kumanta, pero sorry, walang tata yung isa eh. Kaya siya yung panalo.
Ganda nun.
Ikaw pinaka may control sa voice mo dito, kaso kalaban mo nasa laylayan. Pero kumakain sa pagpa-vlog ng mga paresan. Okay. Agree.
Hard agree.
Oo.
Dapat based on talent lang, puta.
Oo. Ano nga yung Konepo baby siya? Diba?
Imagine kasi it wouldn't work sa sports eh. Imagine basketball, you hear the life story of every player. Parang, you just want to see the game.
Yeah. Good takes. Salamat, Staplers. Keep sending him in. I-comment nyo lang doon sa post na.
Yung
Thank you,
isa,
Staplers.
hindi ako agree. Yung pangalawa, sobrang agree ako. Hulaan nyo na lang, pare, kung...
O kalin doon.
kung ano to.
Ayun ako. But yeah, thank you, Andren.
Thank you, Lilan. Thank you, John.
To wrap this up, meron kaming tinatawag na walang edit question. Okay.
Yes.
Merry Christmas. Ang walang edit question namin ay nagaling sa previous guest namin.
Sa
Na hinos
Green-
ni Judd. At ako ang guest na
Yeah,
yun.
sa Green Room series.
Yung tanong ko ay,
If you were to switch your life with someone else's life, who would that be?
sino yun?
Or switch places, parang ganun.
Fuck, Wait. Sino yung vocalist ng River Maya? Si
Rico Blanco?
Rico Blanco, pare. He seems like a good guy. Daming chicks, magaling kumanta, magaling maggitara. Doesn't have to be She's super charming.
He's good looking
violent.
too. Right?
Yeah,
He's
dude.
good looking guy.
I think, dude, ako yung gumawa ng Maselang Baghari tuloy, yung umaaraw, umuulan, pare. Ako yung main writer ng River Maya, pare.
Yeah.
Rico Blanco, pare.
Nung pinauso niya yung shades na paoblong.
Oo. Kinanta niya yung yugto.
Ganda ng yugto.
He can rock Tagalog music and English na.
Siya-
Tell me something.
So ngayon, kung mag-switch places ka with him, si Rico Blanco yung guest namin ngayon. Rico, kamusta? Nurse ka pala dati. Pero yeah, good shit.
Ikaw. Sa
Ikaw
akin,
lang. Tapos, kailangan mo magtanong for the next guest. Any. Ganda mo.
Sige.
Most likely comedian, no? Yung next guest.
Probably, yeah.
Maybe, who knows?
Ito
Stay
special
tuned.
episodes to eh.
Sige. Ano mas pipiliin mo? Kung may bacon ka habang buhay o
Wow.
may movies ka. Lahat ng movies na lalabas for all eternity. Ikaw una makakapanood, libre lahat yun.
Or
Kasi-
bacon.
Kasi
Lifetimes of...
only food source or only entertainment source. So, di ba?
You'll watch the movies for free.
Napaka-original ng tanong na yun.
Oo. Kasi dude, kung bacon, okay, at least meron akong makakain. Libre.
Sobrang specific pa.
Sobrang sulit, like sa pera. So, yan yung question.
Yung
Okay, good
movies,
shit.
yung movies free, libre yung
lahat
movie.
for all
Hindi pa
eternity.
nilalabas, pinapanood mo na.
Oo.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. But thank you, Andren.
Thanks, King Free.
Anything that you want to promote?
Watch for my shows next year kasi sa December wala na akong shows
Okay.
this year.
Follow Andren on Facebook, Instagram. Instagram, Fundren. TikTok, Andren Bernardo. Facebook. And bago matulog, ano pa?
Hindi kita matutulangan.
Hindi kita, just follow our Facebook page, Red Oliero and the Wacky Doers.
Yun.
Iabot
Facebook
natin
group?
Facebook group. Abot natin ng 5K kasi malapit na tayo mag 5K.
Hey, whoa.
So, yun.
Cool Pals Killers.
And
And also, comedymanila.ph/shows for all Comedy Manila stand-up comedy shows. And promote ko lang yung merch ko. Hindi ko suot ngayon. Pero Projects PH, nandun lahat ng merch. Vietnamese food, stapler, walang edit.
PH, I know that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very popular brand, yeah.
Yeah, ganda shirts nila.
Oo.
Mabait yung owner nun, is a good friend. So, nandun lahat. Bigyan nyo lahat ng pamilya ng t-shirt kahit di nila alam yung podcast. Yun lang. And this is the Green Room series of walang edit for Christmas lang to, for the holidays lang to. So, Merry Christmas and wala nang edit. Post na natin yan, Gab.
Panalo sa bingo, plus, 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 plus. Panalo anytime, maglaro anywhere sa bingo, plus, 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 plus.
This is brought to you by GameZone. Real player, real game.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.